Hi there, today is day 1 of our journey where I'll be explaining you from the basics of manifesting to getting your desired results. And now let's start with today's topic, which is what is manifestation? We know it or not, we always have been manifesting all our life. Now, knowing about law of attraction or law of assumption, it is just about creating your life consciously. So it has always been that first you imagine what you want, then embodying the feeling of already having it, and then you will experience it in your physical reality. Example, if you want to manifest more money or experience being rich, then first you need to imagine yourself as rich. And once you do it enough times, then you will attract situations which will help you to experience that reality. So, manifestation is never about wishful thinking or hoping. It is always about controlled imagination and unlearning your current behaviors and then experiencing what is there in your imagination. I hope and intend that you now understand more about manifestation. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.